Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to show you what you could expect from American Airlines First Class Amenity Kit on their JFK to San Francisco transcontinental route. Please follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So here's a look at the flagship First Amenity Kit. This is by Shinola. And I think Shinola, I've had an amenity kit from them in business class and premium economy as well, I believe. There you got eye mask, socks, got some lip balm, cream, hand cream, got a small pen there, some earplugs, toothbrush, toothpaste, the dental kit, and now that is what you can expect from the first class amenity kit on American Airlines transcontinental route from JFK to San Francisco. As always, I do appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.